Welcome back to Guitarlele Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to perform a play along with the song itself. Okay. Thank you Rahul and Naomi for your suggestion on making a lesson on how to play along songs. So what I'm having is that I'm having my tablet to play the song and I'm having a speaker. So this is a good gadget you can have. So any speaker will work for this matter, but a speaker actually helps you to have the beats, the bass of the song to understand, and understanding beats is really helpful with that. Okay, the next thing is you should have your strings completely tuned, properly tuned. So I'm just making sure that everything is properly aligned. Okay, so everything is properly tuned now. Okay, and I have got these tabs from the guitar tabs, as you have already known that. Okay, so now I'm going to do is that I'm playing the song and trying to play along with it, and I'll be using down strums. I'll be using all down strums, I mean all beats down strums, simple down strum, and also the actual down strum up strums, whatever this song is uses, or close to that. Okay, something close to that I'll use, but feel free to use only the first beat down strum only. Okay, so that also helps. Another peculiar thing about the song is that it starts with a bagpipe and the bagpipe goes long. It follows some beat, so it's, if you understand the beats from it, really good. I mean, you're having a really good understanding of the rhythm. If not, then don't be bothered. Okay, I mean, don't get embarrassed or bothered that I can't do this. I mean, it happens. So start with the first beat. The first, there is a drum beat that dish, something like that happens. Okay, so start counting from that. Okay, or maybe you miss 2 or 3 beats, and from there onwards you can do that. Okay, another thing is that whenever you are reading the tab and whenever you're listening the song, try to understand where is the chord change. So there, this has very little chord, very less chord changes, so this is perfect for a beginner to start up with. But yeah, that also means that whenever you are cramping down all your fingers on the second fret for D major chord, so it actually uses the D major chord the most. Okay, so that may be difficult. I mean, you may get some finger pain or not, for finger pain or something like that for the first few times, first few attempts. Okay, but anyways, enough talks, let's start. This is the first beat I was mentioning. Okay, and it uses the D major chord. Now it switches to G major, again back to D major. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting the beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow the beats. So this song has a beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the next it will be a chord change. Again back to D, G. Now the song pretty much goes with only D major. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. now there will be a chord change. On the sheriff word, back to D, again G, copperhead road. This bridge has both the D and D major and G major. So try properly, listen properly. Okay, so from this point onwards the song goes pretty much the same way. So there is only few changes in the chords. So one is the D to G, then again G back to D, and again D to G, and then again back to D. Okay, and in the bridge, so maybe I made some mistakes because I was trying to talk to you at that time. So yeah, there is one D to G change and G to back D. So in the bridge also this change is there. So it's D major to G major and G major to back to D major, and then again G major and then again D major. So up down is there in the bridge itself. But the main words of the song is pretty much uses the same D major, D major, D major, D major, and then again D major, G major, D major, G major, and again D major. Okay, the song goes something like this. Okay, during the transitions, 2 bars of D major, and then 2 bars of G major, 2 bars of D major, 2 bars of G major. So it's basically like, so you will downstrum once on the first beat, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, change, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, change, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and then it follows the same route of D major, D major, D major, D major. So that's it. And during the try to I mean listen to this song for quite a few times, and try to figure out the beats during the bagpipe in the introduction of the song. And that is really a good thing if you can do that. I mean it's not necessary to move forward to understand the beats there, but it's really helpful. If you like this lesson on how to play along songs, hit the like button. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Many more lessons will follow.